Hi, I'm Laura Douglas. Together with my colleague, Margaret Handmaker, I serve as the Acting Co-Executive Director of TARC. Consistent with the new CDC guidelines, TARC is asking all of our riders to wear a face mask when you are on the bus. This is in the best interest of your health and of the health of our drivers. Now, many of you have seen many kinds of face masks over the last couple of months. Here's one that has been carefully stitched together and has elastic to go behind the ears. Here are several here that are also made out of cloth, and they have been carefully stitched together using a sewing machine. They're all in kind of fashion-forward colors. But what do you do if you don't have scrap material and you don't have a sewing machine? I want to show you how to make a good face mask just using 3 simple pieces of material: a dish towel, a coffee filter, and 2 ponytail holders. So this is what you do. First, you'll want to lay the dish towel out in front of you lengthwise on a flat surface. Take the coffee filter, place it in the center. Turn the bottom edge of the dish towel up, perhaps about 1/3 of the width. Do the same for the top edge of the dish towel. Make an additional fold from the bottom. Make one last fold from the top. Now, take each of the ponytail holders and put them onto the ends of the dish towel. When you get done, the space between the 2 ponytail holders should approximate the distance between one ear and the other. Now, take the end of the dish towel, fold it inward, and tuck it. Take the other end of the dish towel, fold it in, and tuck it. Now, grab the dish towel by the ponytail holders, lift up the face mask, place the ponytail holders behind your ears.